Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Pamela and I make content on all different things including horticulture, hair, bags, and my life. So if you're interested, don't forget to subscribe. But on today's video, I am doing a unboxing, a plant supply kind of unboxing. So I am doing a unboxing of the goodies that I picked up from Petco. Yes, Plantco, not Petco. From Petco for my plants. Yeah, Petco, but for my plants. So if you're interested in the goodies that are inside of this box, then keep on watching. Okay, so welcome back. What I have gone ahead and done is I tried to remove my name and my address, but the whole thing done went and ripped. So that's why this box looks like this right now. I'm going to go ahead and pan you guys down. So I hope you all can see the box, and let's get into the unboxing. So number one, I typically go to the big box stores that we know, Home Depot, Lowe's, IKEA, you know, to purchase like plants, plant items, you know, soils, fertilizers, and also sometimes I buy things on Amazon or eBay that I can't find in stores. But I wanted to check out Petco because they sell terrarium items, they sell things for reptiles. So I'm like, all right, well, if I'm using reptile things, you know, and reptiles live with the same flowers, then I should be able to pick up items. And I actually did. So I picked up a couple of things, not many things, because I have most of the things that I need already. I just wanted to get these because I do not have any of these items. So there's this plastic. This is my receipt from Petco with my address. So that is not gonna be in the video. So the first thing I picked up was some sphagnum moss. I want to use this for rooting. I have, what are these things? Yeah, I just want to use these for rooting, and this is actually pretty small for the price. So I don't think I'm gonna actually repurchase this from Petco. I might actually get it from the big box stores, because for this price, this was, it doesn't say the price on the paper, but I believe this was like maybe like $4 for a 4-quart package. You know, but this is the first thing. I'm gonna use this to try and root my compacta, my variegated compacta that I hate so much, but I literally cannot, like, I'm refusing to let the last 2 branches of this 7-inch potted plant only have 2 branches left. I refuse to let those, my $85, go to waste. So I'm gonna try to root one of the branches with sphagnum moss. More paper. All right, so this is coconut husk. So the coconut brick, the husk, I'm just gonna use this for some of my other plants that need a bit more of a coco coir type of substrate. So I picked this up for those plants. Right. So lastly, I got these hydro balls, aka leca. I want to use this in conjunction with my sphagnum moss to root the other branch that I have. I'm planning on cutting it and trying to regrow roots on them because they're looking really bad. But I want to experiment because water propagating my compacta did not work. It killed every single one of my plants that I tried to root. So I want to try to for one of them, leca propagate and root one, and then the other one I want to sphagnum root. So I'm gonna see which one works, because honestly, I just hope one of them works. So yeah, that's pretty much all that I picked up. The box is empty. I didn't get a lot of things. I only picked up these 3 items because they don't sell them at my local Home Depots or Lowe's, and I don't feel like driving all the way to IKEA to pick up some leca. So I picked up these, and in my next video I will be using these babies to root my plant. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comment, and let me know, do you shop at Petco, and what other stores do you go to for your plant supplies? Because you know, you can't just be a Home Depot and go Home Depot and like Lowe's that has the things that I need, right? You know, and I don't always, if I want something today, I want somewhere to go to pick them up. All right, so let me know in your area. I live in New York, but in your area, what shops have, you know, good deals? And if you do live in New York, please also let me know, where do you get some of your awesome plants, and also where do you get some of your plant supplies? So guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Let's get growing.